Good morning, everybody. It's Joe with Stainless Steel Joe. Mike just finished putting in the inlays for the Freya railing. Look at the detail. Lots of colors on this one. They're UV rated inlays, so they work well in the sun. Freya, the goddess of war. Would not want to mess with her. She's also the wife of Odin. You don't want to piss that guy off either. There's tape behind it to hold it in. Now we're going to put silicone on there. It's a mold resistant silicone. Good for outside. Crystal clear. Here's a bigger picture. Thanks for watching. Stainless Steel Joe. MetalArtSouthFlorida.com.